I'll wait to see your golden smile. Feel
engaged.
I'm going to drop the chain and the anchor to the ground.
The clutch. I don't know where the clutch is. To operate manually, the clutch must be disengaged.
So the clutch is disengaged right now.
Right. Okay, so then what? Do we turn this?
Well, let's try it, except that right now you have it tied to that line. So
Well, that's not going to go anywhere.
Our next challenge, manually lowering our anchor. It sounds simple, right? Not quite. Normally, to power the windlass, we start the starboard engine, but since the boat's out of the water, we can't run the engine. You see, it needs seawater for cooling, or it'll overheat. Thankfully, our Coppercoat and fiberglass wizard, Jason, came to the rescue.
So this just came out, and then that drum is supposed to come out.
So yeah, now you know, that is all you need to do, which is what I thought. But...
So we just had it jammed too tight. Should I go down and make sure that it falls on the
Yeah.
I'm gonna go down and make. Okay.
He's working on the other side. Lights installed.
Hull sanding has officially begun. Meanwhile, Donovan's tackling the anchor project, and I have flown to France to visit family for a week. So let's see what kind of footage the man living on my boat captured, and what kind of commentary he's going to treat us to.
Primed and painted. One part is, how are we going to get this back up there? I guess I'm going to have to use muscle. Not sure. A little dust on there from the dusting, but yeah. A couple coats. We're going to do some more. Anchor locker clean. Anchor service. Windlass service. Can you use the whistle? Going to take the air-conditioned seacock off because the handle broke right there. I'm going to take this off. Disconnected it from the strainer and got all the water. They have this much more to do tomorrow before they come and start the process of putting Coppercoat on. Here it is Friday. Got here at 9 o'clock. They've already got one coat right there. And you can see where they started the second coat in places. They're giving it 30 minutes to do its little drying. Got a second coat right there. Good in there.
Here you can see the Coppercoat on our hulls and rudders. It's a long-lasting anti-fouling solution.
Whoop, whoop. Well, one is done. Still drying. Yeah, it's looking good. Looking good.
twist, my return flight to Preveza was cancelled. After a few extra days in France, I finally got a flight into Corfu. Now I just need to get off Corfu Island and back to the mainland.
Alright, well, I came out of those doors there and went and found the bus right there. There's nobody in here, I'm by myself to go to the port. Now it's €2. Super easy, Corfu.
Time to find my ferry from Corfu to Igoumenitsa, where Donovan will pick me up.
Alright, I made it onto the boat and the luggage is in a tiny little room over there, and now I'm going to go find something to drink. Alright, okay, let's go get a drink.
We're planning to sail through Corfu when we leave Greece for Albania, and I can't wait. This place looks absolutely stunning.
We have arrived to Igoumenitsa.
Igoumenitsa is located in northwestern Greece, and it's known for being a major ferry hub connecting Greece with Italy and the Ionian Islands. It's under 90 minutes from Preveza by car, but sailing, that's a solid 10 plus hours.
Ease the waiting, mama.
This thing?
Not the pipe, but just
The silver handle?
this is new. I had to get, this is new, and then another fixture right here is new.
And that's one of the things that was on our original survey when we bought the boat.
Honestly, I don't know how Donovan does this. Just watching him squeeze in and out of the engine bay gives me anxiety.
You want to give me your hand?
Oh, she's done. Cleaned. I gotta lower some of those so we can go get back in the water today. Here is the Saildrive, freshly painted.
The Saildrives and props can't be copper coated, so we're applying a different anti-fouling product on those to
There you
prevent
go.
growth.
Yeah, clean in here.
We
Yeah.
made it nearly 4 weeks on the hard, and we
go.
completed all of our projects.
Alright, so we are leaving. I can't talk right now because I'm a nervous wreck because when we walked out of the boat, I closed the sliding door and I checked to make sure that it wasn't locked. And we got off the boat and then they were like, well, no, you need to get back on the boat because when you go in the water, you need to steer, which makes sense. I thought we were gonna, anyway, I don't know what we were thinking, but I'm not feeling very well this morning, if you can tell by my voice. But anyway, when we got back on the boat and we tried to open the door to put the dog inside, it wouldn't open. And I swear to God, it was unlocked and both keys are in the boat. Thank God we had one of these hatches unlocked. So Donovan crawled in and went and got the key, but it still wouldn't open. So we were like, what the hell? Everything was stuck. Turns out when they were lifting the boat onto the tractor, I guess they kind of shifted the shape of it. And so the door was unlocked the whole time, but the framing around the door was crooked because the boat was crooked. Anyway, that was super nerve-wracking because I was like, we locked ourselves out of the boat and the keys are inside. And I'm already nervous, you know, because that's who I am. So anyway, I'm nervous because I'm hoping everything's going to turn on and work as it should after all the maintenance that we did. At least there's no wind, or not much. We washed the heck out of this boat yesterday. I mean, we scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed. All right, here we go. Do highly recommend this yard though. I know we're not in the water yet and I'm getting ahead of myself, but They've been super nice. They're super careful. It's a nice place. All right, our back end should be in the water now. Well, our port engine turned on. Not at first. We had to switch it to a different battery because it was dead. And then our starboard engine turned on and then turned off immediately. So we're trying to figure out. He says he's bleeding it or something. I don't know what that means. But we'll see if it starts. Oh, this is nerve-wracking. Our chart plotter's screaming at us because it says we're in 1.4 meters of water. All right, fingers crossed. Ready?
Give it gas.
Give it gas. How much? Like that?
Good. All right.
All right, let's let the engines warm up for a minute and catch our breath because they're nowhere close to coming with the next boat anyway.
Get down, okay?
Yeah, why don't we just wait until somebody come? Oh, God. And then how's he gonna get back up? Got my steering wheel centered. We should be good to go. We're just going over here.
You ready? It's pushing us already.
I know, you gotta get the stern line.
Forward, port it forward. Put it in reverse. I got this line. All right, we're all done.
All right. Tell me if I'm too close to the pontoon. I should be going straight back right now.
You're going straight back. You're looking good.
I'm just trying to get out of the shallow and then I'll make a pirouette. Tell me when I clear the pontoon, okay?
How's you driving, okay?
So far, so good. I'm testing all the steering before we really head too far. Thank God there's no wind.
I'm gonna go check the Cyclades again here.
All right, we tested our anchor and so far so good. We checked, by we I mean Donovan, but we checked all the seacocks. So far, knock on wood, so good, nothing's leaking. We got our transducer in so we know our depth. The boat looks fabulous. And we are stern tied back in Nidri again. Terrible, terrible job the first time. Put a nice little gash on the port side from the anchor of the monohull over there with the yellow. And now we are here. The time has come for us to see our underwater lights for the first time. Oh, now it's red. Now it looks like a shark just ate somebody under our boat. There's green. You can't see any. Well, we're in Nidri, so you're not going to be able to see anything. The water's pretty murky here. It looks awesome. And tomorrow night, we're going to another anchorage where it's going to look even awesomer. I like that purple color.
Like that. Yeah.
Now it's time to prep for our sailing season in Albania, Montenegro, and Croatia. We're leaving Lefkada in the next few days, heading back up to Preveza briefly before sailing around the Ionian one last time, then checking out of Greece and heading into the almighty Adriatic Sea. Well, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm so more people can find our channel. And of course, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. Oh, and we would really love to hear from you in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
No more surface level striving, only resting in Father's arms. I am free, free at last, living life. I am saved. I find my rest in your